ChatGPT is a great tool to use. It can actually help you get ideas on how to polish up your writing. And when you're writing your emails, you can actually use it to generate ideas on what emails you can be sending out to your list. But I have a word of caution for you, Michael. You got to make sure that you don't entirely depend on it. You got to learn the skill of email marketing. You got to learn the skill of writing your own emails. Now, ChatGPT can be a great tool to use for ideas on how you can write those emails, but I wouldn't necessarily depend on it to do all of your email marketing for you. Because from my own experience with using ChatGPT, I've actually still had to make edits to whatever it generated for me, and that comes with the skill that I learned over the years. So you can use ChatGPT to create your emails for your email marketing campaigns, but just don't entirely depend on it in replacing the necessary skill of email marketing.